Hi YouTube, welcome to my room. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be creating a collage wall and I wanted to take you guys along with me. I thought this would be kind of fun. Today is a super sad and gloomy day. It's very dark in the house and I feel like this is really just going to help brighten up the space. I have this empty wall here. It's like kind of set up behind my door, so it's not like a focal point of the room, but I thought that it would be kind of fun to do one of those like Pinteresty collage walls and also like hang up some of my bags here. I ended up printing like 150 photos. I'm not sure if I'm going to use them all. I've kind of been debating how big I want the collage to be, if I want it to be, you know, majority of the wall or maybe just like a square of the wall. I don't know yet, so we're gonna kind of play around with it today. I'm gonna show you all of the prints that I ordered. You have no idea what I'm talking about with this collage wall situation. Here is an example here. They're very popular on Pinterest, on TikTok, and I've been wanting to make one for a while now, so I just finally decided, let's do it. Let's jazz up this wall. Let's just have some fun, you know? On Etsy, there is a bunch of sellers that have like pre-made kit, and most of them send you the digital downloads and then you just print them yourself. Some of them are actually printed, ready to go, and they ship to you. But I ordered a pack of like 72. I'll link it down below, the specific one that I picked up. It was just the digital download. So I bought it, it was like $5. I downloaded those and printed them myself. And then I went on Pinterest and picked out like 100 more. Just little photos that I thought would help like personalize the wall a little bit. Because like that's kind of the downside with those like pre-made kits, is that everybody ends up with the same exact wall. So I had to add my own personality, my own flair. I'll show you guys all of the prints that I picked up before I start placing them on my wall, but I ended up getting them from Walmart. It was like 9 cents a print and I just shipped them straight to my house. But you can pick them up directly at Walmart. They have like their 1 hour photo, also CVS. There's a ton of different options and it's super affordable. I think for this total project it was like $15. It's a super fun and easy project, so let's get started. Obviously, this is a ton of photos. I am not sure I'm going to use every single one of them, but I did get them in 4x6 prints, and I got the matte version because I figured that would look best. I think my plan of attack is to kind of just lay these out on the floor and kind of get a general idea for how I want the collage to look. So let's map this out. Right, so here is the progress, you guys. So this is what I have laid out so far. I'm not sure how much I want to put on the wall yet, so I think I'm going to start out with all of these. I do have quite a bit of photos left, so we will see. I bought some double-sided tape. I'm going to use this to stick everything to the wall so there's like no damage or anything, and I can move them around if I decide I don't like them in certain spots. But my ceiling is pretty high, so if you see these cowboy boots right here, I'm going to start the wall like eye level with those cowboy boots, or horizontal from those. I don't think I want to stick them to like the very top of the wall. It's high, you know, so that's going to be my starting point, and then we'll go from there. I pulled out this step ladder so you know that I mean business. Let's get to sticking. This is gonna take a lot of time. I can't even tell if this is straight. Vibe check. Oh my god, I can't tell. Oh my god, shit balls. I'm just kidding. Not you guys. I cannot tell if this is even. This is so hard. I feel like it's just gonna be a little crooked, and that's fine. It's character. I feel like we're getting somewhere. Okay, not to toot my own horn, but this looks good. Clearly, I'm not even done yet, but the serotonin boost that this is giving me already, it's so cute. Small update, I finished one roll of tape. I'm on to the next one, but I lost the starting point and now I can't find it. I found it! Yes. Oh my gosh, the drama. Okay, I am almost done with the wall. I think I'm going to try to do 2 more rows if I have enough photos, but I'm obsessed. I will say that it is a very time-consuming project. It's easy, it just takes a lot of time. So if you have a friend, do this with a friend so it'll go by faster, but I love it! Oh my gosh, I finally finished it and I'm so in love. It came out so good. It's currently 4:17. I think it took me around 3 hours total to organize all the prints and then hang them up and all that jazz. So I did take my time with it and I did shuffle things around a few times, so you could probably do it quicker, but it definitely is time consuming. Let me give you guys an up close tour. So you can see the space at the top of my wall. I just lined it up with the boots and I actually love how it looks. I also kept some space at the bottom too, so I didn't fill up the entire wall, and there was definitely space to do one more print here, but I didn't want it to look too crowded since it is like a lot going on, but I love it. So here's a look at all of the pictures. So cute. We could definitely just end it here and just have a cute collage wall, but I do want to hang my bags here. I think that it would be kind of a cute little spot to place them, and I found these adorable little hooks on Urban Outfitters that will match the vibes of this wall perfectly. So I was kind of thinking that I would do like 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna hang these up now. definitely gonna play around with like what bags I choose to display on this wall, because I think the zebra one would be kind of cute too. And then I do have some hats that would also be kind of cute on the hook. So I don't know, it's very versatile. You can constantly change it out. I think that these are just so adorable and they work with the wall so nicely. I love how it turned out. Anyways guys, I am finished for the day. I love how it turned out. I'm so happy with it. It's just so fun, and like even when the door is open you get a little sneak peek, like, oh shit, what's that? Cute. I'm obsessed. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching and hanging out with me. I will definitely link the Etsy shop that I bought some of these prints from. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comments down below. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye!